followers and subscribers. Why? Jamaica don't make it figure a World Cup, but so I think that, you know, just one of them thing there. One of them thing them I really wish we did that go still, and them stressed me out last night. Bad. But at the end of the day, Jamaicans, we win some, we lose some. And I just pure love and happiness same way. Yeah, we are going through a little sad moment because we really want to go to World Cup. And we just feel heartbroken, but all is not lost. You know, we can't win everything. I just say things set, man. But I'm more love same way. But big and serious still. Reggae boys need a better coach. Yeah, man. Need a better coach. This a go on for too long now. Them need to make some changes. Use some real Jamaican people where know if to deal with football business the right way. We need a better coach, me not lie. A coach where I go put a real players them out there and put them for play. And stop take off the player them off of the field and not put them back. You understand me? We need some real football coach, man. Me not telling a lie. We need a real football coach. Like in the 1990s when we got World Cup, and how much Pat Kovalik, how much happiness, a party for days. Yeah, man, we need that again, but all is not lost. We did do it already, so we can do it again. I strongly believe that Jamaica can do it again. Big up on yourself still, Reggae boys. Just one of them things there, you know? And all the while we can win. And all the while we are going to lose neither. Because I still strongly believe, say, we still can make it a World Cup one next time. But until then, let's go and do nothing and find a better coach. Jamaica Football Federation. Deal with things better. Angle thing. You know, I get from bad to worse now. Still big man thing. Do better, man. Not like how no I go on. Find a good coach. Make a team get for rise to higher heights. Because right now the team not teaming. Because me think they lack a proper coaching. Yeah. But one of them there still.